Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the Canva Custom GPTs inside ChatGPT that you can use to use the power of Canva inside ChatGPT to effortlessly design anything inside ChatGPT, so presentation, logos, social media posts and more. Before I would show an actual example on how to use Canva GPT, I just want to let you know that I have a full database of all available custom GPTs that you can search by categories, description, name and more. And you can get this database for free using the link in the description below. And you can also find other free custom GPT and AI resources also in the description, so make sure to check those out as well. But now let's see how to use the Canva Custom GPT. So first, if you want to use custom GPTs, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. And if you have one, all you have to do is click on Explore GPTs on the left here and search for Canva here. The first one will be the custom GPT by canva.com. As you can see, it has been used more than almost 1 million times. And you can also click on it on the trending section if you want to do that. But once you have opened up the Canva Custom GPT, all you have to do is add a prompt. So in this example, we want to design a birthday card for my friend Ben who loves soccer. We also want to make it fun and personal. Once you added your prompt, as you can see, it can be a social media post, a presentation, an annual report, anything related to designs that Canva can do. So click on send message here. And this is the result we have received from the Canva GPT. So as you can see, it has used Canva to create the design. So this is not a DALL-E design created by OpenAI and ChatGPT, but this is something we get from Canva. So as you can see, we have created a fun and personal birthday card for your friend Ben who loves soccer. Check it out. And as you can see, we got happy birthday, score your way to another year, which is a great birthday wish. So of course, if you are not happy with it, you can regenerate the result or the design we have received from the Canva GPT, or you can also add more customization in a next message. So all in all, this is how you can use the Canva GPT inside ChatGPT to design with Canva inside ChatGPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.